VetVR Level 2 Gauges Practice. We will practice and learn to identify the proper gauge and how to read the gauge. We have to answer the questions to confirm adequate knowledge. First question, what is the oxygen tank pressure? As I look at the anesthesia machine to our right, the oxygen tank pressure is 700 psi. Next is to assess the oxygen ceiling pressure. Looking at the oxygen ceiling hose gauge, the pressure is at 110 psi. However, by mistake, I will enter 100 psi. VetVR tells me that my assessment was incorrect and need to reassess the gauge until I learn how to properly read it. I look at the gauge again and insert the correct number. This stage allows the user to practice multiple times how to identify and read the gauges. Important skills necessary when working with live animals to prevent damage and treat complications.